Hello everyone. This knitting pattern is part of the Brioche series. They call it the Polish elastic stitch. It has a lovely structure and ordered texture. The canvas of the knit is exactly the same on both sides. The knit is suitable for the winter months for hats, scarves, and cozy sweaters. The scheme consists of 4 loops and 1 row. We will knit in the same way on both sides. On both sides of the fabric, after the edge stitch, the repeat pattern is purl 3, slip 1, with the yarn in the back, purl 3, slip 1, purl 3, slip 1. Keep knitting in this way until the end of the row. Knit in the same way on the second side of the knitting. The repeat pattern is purl 3, slip 1, with the yarn in the back, purl 3, slip 1, purl 3, slip 1. Keep knitting in this way until the end of the row. If you'd like to check out my knit creations and get them for yourself or as a gift, visit knitnotspace.com. I appreciate your presence. If you find the video helpful, please hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications to never miss a video. I hope that you find inspiration for your next knitting project. Thanks for joining me, and I look forward to seeing you soon.